welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be reviewing a lot of the new collection from Profusion, which is the Lizzie McGuire stuff. I think I didn't get 3 things. I didn't get the hand mirror, I didn't get the lip gloss or the cream blush. They had the cream blush, but I chose against it because I have a lot of blush, so I didn't feel like it was necessary. Channeling my outer Isabella from the Lizzie McGuire movie. But everything that we're going to be playing with today, we have the Lizzie McGuire 15 shade eyeshadow palette, and it's this beautiful like pastel range. I don't feel like I have anything crazy similar to this, so I thought it would be interesting. And then it has a little mirror with Miss Lizzie, and then I feel like you could use this as a bookmark. Let's see. That way you can see the mirror a little better. I'm sure there's plastic over it. Ooh, yes. So I'm excited to try that. I think this was the most expensive. I think it was $12, which is pretty good for an eyeshadow palette. The second thing is this highlighter, Fuzzy Feelin' holographic pressed powder, which is a highlighter in this gorgeous lavender with an embossing of Miss Lizzie McGuire herself, and it's fuzzy. Like, how freaking nostalgic is this? Reminds me of my old Trapper Keepers. I also got the holographic liquid highlighter in Oh Please. It's got this cool packaging where you like twist it off. Oh fuck. And then you just squirt it out. So that's cool. Again, very nostalgic. Third thing is the scented roll-on body glitter. I had to get this because what girl in the 90s didn't wear roll-on glitter? I had one that was like grape purple, and I would rub it all over my arms, and I'm going to continue to do that because I love roll-on glitter, and it's very pretty. The packaging is very nice, very nostalgic. It also reminds me of we also picked up the Lizzie McGuire Fashion All Over It illuminating setting spray, and it smells exactly like a orange soda, which again, nostalgic. Like, I used to love orange soda. I still do, but I get the water versions now. But also the packaging. Orange and pink are my favorites. But before we start this video, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more cozy, cute content. So let's take off my current makeup. I only have eye makeup on right now. We're back and baby faced. But before we do anything, we're gonna pin back our hair. Hair clips like these used to be in. I mean, they still are. Okay, looking at the Dear Diary eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to decide what I want to do color-wise. I think I'm gonna do like a pink orange look going into Kate, which is this nice peach color. I'm just gonna put that all over them. Not very pigmented orange, but not bad though. It's the perfect sherbet orange, which is what I'm wearing below. I'm wearing like a sherbet orange sweatpant with this. But honestly, those colors look good together. True sherbet orange. I think I want to go into Outfit Repeater, which is this pretty lilac color. It has a nice little flower embossing on it. Do I just put it on the lid? How about create a sunset looking thing? Ooh, I really like the combo of these two. It reminds me of sunsets we get around here. Lavender and peachy coral. So far so good with Outfit Repeater. I wonder if this matches the shirt that she was wearing when she got called that. Honestly, don't remember. Cute. I think I'm gonna go in with Kate again. Just kind of connect these. Don't you wish that they would bring back Lizzie McGuire? I know that they tried, but they weren't gonna do it other than PG, which, come on guys, we're all not children anymore. The people who would be watching that are millennials, not babies. So maybe one day our dreams will come true. I mean, Miss Duff is on a tour right now. Maybe the reignition of her singing career and just popularity will get Disney to stop being such a word. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of BFF's Secret, which is that light egg blue, and then also Haughty Alert, which is a periwinkle with the blue right here. Oh my gosh, I'm like basically painting a sunset on my eyes. I love it. Okay, these definitely are more pigmented than I was thinking. I think I'm gonna take Haughty Alert too, which is that periwinkle, and kind of drag it very pastel. Okay. I think I need to use Miranda, which is like a yellow, on my brow bone. It's close to the orange, so it should look okay. Ooh. It's like a yellowy green. Oh, it's more green, honestly. But I'm not mad at it. It's very fun. Oh my god. Okay. Let's blend a little of that blue up here, just to kind of connect it. I'm gonna take Totally Lizzie, which is that sparkly pink. See what that looks on the lid. Oh, it's more purple. We're also gonna take Picture Day, which is that icy blue. Put it here. Maybe it'll pop more. Some shimmer on the blue, because that's what all the girlies did back then. I didn't get to partake in that joy because I didn't get to wear makeup until I was older, but go off, queens. They look great. I feel like I'm playing watercolor on my eyes. Like, my camera could stop shutting off. That would be great. I'm also gonna take this shade called Dear Diary, which is just like an icy, typical color, like a silver, just to add some more sparkle and a little bit more brightness there. I feel like the shimmers work better with your finger. I'd say that looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Okay, liner. I think I might take this color, which is called Audi. It's supposed to be like in a reference to belly buttons. I think I feel remember an episode like that. Ooh, ooh. It's a good purple. Ooh. Loving this color. Just gonna place it by the lash line. Very fun, very pastel. Well, there's the eyes all done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes and mascara off camera because there's nothing in the collection that resembles that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, back and eyes are complete. Did some Dollar Tree lashes, still drying obviously, and then I did my foundation, and I'm putting a little blush. I'm gonna use some of that orange, kind of tying it in to the look. I'm also gonna go in with Outfit Repeater, that purpley, kind of do a little mix of the two. Okay, next we have two highlighters. So, okay, well, I already set and I forgot. So we're actually gonna go in with the Illuminating Setting Spray to rehydrate. It literally smells just like orange cream soda. I love that. It feels so refreshing. That scent. Invigorating. Oh, I look so moist and dewy. We're gonna leave it like that so that we can apply this holographic highlighter. Comes out shimmer. So let's put it over here. Ooh, whoa. Feels weird. Ooh. Wow. I like that. It feels nice. Feels good though. I really like that setting spray. Now we're gonna go in with that purple highlighter. Let's look at Lizzie one more time before I destroy her. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, very purple. But I love a purple highlight, especially if it's over a pink blush. I think it looks cool. Purple. I need a lip before we move on. I'm using OG Brew, that new viral lip liner. I've been wearing it a lot. I feel like it's the perfect Sabrina Carpenter lip liner dupe when she wears like a more vampy outer edge. And to add more of that coral, we're gonna go in with the Yummy Blur Balm in Blur in Pink. This is like, I feel like what a great Drugstore Sabrina Carpenter dupe. These two together. Like, you can't tell me that doesn't look like her lip combo. I feel like I should put some shimmer on my lips. So we're gonna take Picture Day, which is that icy blue. I like doing this because it makes it look more dimensional and fun. I'm pleasantly surprised with everything. I did forget the roll-on body glitter. It's grape scented. So let's just put it on here. Is it doing anything? Oh yeah. Ooh, it's got like a pink duochrome. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Let me put it on my hand. Whoa. It's like pink, orange, and green. And it smells just the way all the other ones used to. That is like smelling my childhood. Okay, out of everything that I tried today, I think my favorite thing, honestly, was the setting spray. It just smelled so refreshing. And I also liked this. It gave such a pretty, ethereal, glittery glow that I really enjoyed. And it's fun to squeeze. Also really like the highlighter. It's pretty simple, but that packaging is everything. I think that they should have made this fuzzy too, but it's okay. I still want the mirror. I'm a hand mirror collector, so if I ever see it, I'm getting it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tell me below what you're gonna pick up if you are, or what your favorite item is that I showed. Have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye.